Alright, if you remember from the video that you watched the other day, then you remember that this is the proportion that we set up. Now, one of the odd things about proportions is that this is not the only way that this problem can be solved when it's set up in a proportion. Remember what I told you, that the cross products could be equal to one another. So if I'm solving this question properly, then 1.61 times x is equal to 89 times 1. So you end up with a situation like this. 89 is equal to 1.61 times x. And then, of course, like we did in the video, if you want to do the opposite of multiplication, you have to divide by 161. So this goes away and leaves you with x. Okay, now this is what I was talking about a second when I said this is not the only way this problem can be set up. Now watch this. If I take the 161 and the 1 mile and put it on this side, put the 89 and the x over there, what have I done? You're right, all I did was swap the order. I just switched them, right? Okay, here's another way it can show up. It can show up as 161 and 89 is equal to x over 1. Now, I didn't flip the order that time, did I? But watch what happens. Cross product, 161x, 89 over. See, that's the same cross product as in the original question. So you've seen it written one way, a second way, and then of course a third way. Now what do you think I can do with this? That's right, I can swap the order of it and it'd still be correct. I could take this fraction and put it on this side and this fraction and put it on the other side. I can swap the order of this. So when you're looking for a question, when you're looking for a problem that asks you which expression you have proportions as your answer choices, then what you've got to pay attention for is, while you might set it up this way originally, one of the answer choices might not look just like this. So what you have to look for in that situation is maybe a different setup where you would end up getting the same cross product. So you can set it up the way you want to, put your cross products up there, and then find the one that matches your cross product. Okay?